Hello, this is our demonstration of the Recorder Karate application. I'm joined here with Andy, and as you can see on our screen, there's 3 copies of our home interface. So on the left, you'll see what any new user of the Recorder Karate app will see. The page has everything blocked. As you can see, we can't click on anything here because you don't have access to those levels yet. The only thing that the user has access to here is hot cross buns, or white belt, which is the first level. And once the user clicks hot cross buns, they're taken to an interface that will let them play the song, test it, and eventually, hopefully, pass and move on to the next level. And every time they pass a level, the next one is unlocked on the home interface. Eventually, it will become what you can see on the right, where every single button is accessible, and after passing black belt, the user has access to something called the Freestyle Dojo, which lets them synthesize their own songs and test their own recorder performance against them. But we'll get to that later. Now, Andy and I are going to show you how a student might pass one of these levels. In the middle, you can see the app where currently I have gotten everything up until the red belt. And now I want to pass Twinkle Twinkle. So once I click the level, we're taken to that interface I mentioned before, where we have 3 options. We can play the song out loud to hear what it's supposed to sound like, bring up the sheet music, which I'm definitely going to need, and start recording and testing, and then hopefully pass this level. So Andy and I are going to play this 2 times. First, I'm going to play it off-key, probably off-tempo, just to show that when the user plays it wrong, it will show them that they played it wrong. And the second time, I'll play it well enough where hopefully I think I'll pass. So Andy, let's get started.
Yep, so upon hitting start recording, there's going to be 8 ticks, or 2 measures of metronome, which matches the actual behavior of Recorder Karate in its original form.
So as you can see, I got 6 notes right, or 14%, which means I didn't pass. But that's not going to stop me. Let's try it again, and this time maybe I'll try to play it in the right key.
Yep, and this time I'll also conduct to get a better tempo.
So, as you can see, I did a lot better this time, and thankfully, I passed. We're ready to move on to the next level.
And I think that about wraps up our demonstration of level progression. As you can see, we now have brown belt, which is Amazing Grace, unlocked on our screen. Hey, it's me, Andy, and I'm here to demonstrate to you the Freestyle Dojo that was implemented as an additional feature that could be unlocked upon completion of all 9 belts in the progression. So it can be opened from the home interface as such. And as you can see, we have the option of 3 note lengths and a rest over the keys of an entire octave. Just to play one note, you can hear that it sounds wind instrument-ish, and we accomplish that with a variety of enveloped and FFT techniques. And so just as a demonstration of a song that a user could realistically synthesize on this Freestyle Dojo and then try to emulate themselves later on the recorder, which is in fact our first Wipeout song. I'm going to make hot cross buns on the Freestyle Dojo and then write it to a .wav file. So I'm going to hit start recording, and here we go. And now when I hit stop recording, we're going to hear the entire thing played from start to end.